Hello everyone, my name is Rafael Lauren Oiling. In this video, I'm going to explain the web programming practicum project that I created. For this assignment, I built a simple mini website that consists of two pages, a biodata page and a grade calculation page. I'll explain what each page does, how the files are structured, and how the CSS and JavaScript work behind the scenes. Okay, the purpose of this practicum is to help students learn how to build a basic website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We were also trained to separate our file, meaning the HTML handles the page structure, CSS handles the designs, and JavaScript handles the logic. By doing this, the project becomes much cleaner and easier to understand. In this assignment, we were asked to make a biodata page that can be edited and a grade calculator that can be process scores and show the final result. Okay, before I explain each page, here is the structure of my project. There are 5 main projects. First, index.html is for the biodata page. Nilai.html is for the grade calculator. Style.css for the futuristic design. And script.js is for the interactive function. And photo is for the profile picture. Okay, this simple structure helps keep everything organized and easy to modify. The first page is index.html, which is the biodata page. At the top, there's a navigation bar that lets users can move between the two pages inside the main container. I display a profile picture name, student ID, study program, and gender. All of these are placed in span text with specific IDs so the values can be changed using JavaScript. Under that, there is a form where user can type new biodata information when the update profile button is clicked. JavaScript reads the input values and replace the old biodata on the page. This make the page feel more interactive because everything updates instantly without refreshing. Okay, the second one is nilai.html, the grade calculation page. Just like the first page, it has the same navigation bar for consistency. This page contains several input fields: assignment, quiz, midterm, final exam, and attendance. Each input has an ID so JavaScript can access it easily. When the user clicks calculate grade, the JavaScript function will multiply each score by its percentage weight, add them all together, and then decide the final grade A, B, C, or D. The result is shown immediately on the page. This page demonstrates simple mathematical operation using JavaScript. Okay, next is the style.css file, which control the overall design for this project. I use a futuristic theme with neon colors and glass morphing effect. The background is dark, okay, and the text is bright, and the container has glowing border. This in this one, okay. Input and buttons are styled to look modern. Buttons grow slightly when hovered over, and input fields glow when selected. The small details make the website feel more alive and visually attractive. The last file is script.js. There are two main functions inside this file. Okay. The first one is update profile. It's used on the biodata page. It takes the value the user type into the form and replace the text in the biodata section. This makes the biodata update instantly without reloading the page. The second one is the second function is hitung. It's for the grade calculation page. It reads all the score input, calculate the final result based on the assigned weight, and then determines the grade. The output is shown directly on the page. Both functions use basic JavaScript DOM manipulation, which is an important skill in web development. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this web works. First, we're gonna change the name. And student ID. And the gender can be man or woman. And the study program is okay. We can change the hobby. Okay. For this one, okay. So we're gonna change with this button, and all the information has changed. Okay, the second page is great. First, we choose basis data, and then we're gonna input okay. And then this is the final result. Okay. So to wrap up this video, this practicum helped me learn how to combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build an interactive website. I also learned how to organize files properly and create a clean and modern design. Thank you for watching my explanation video. I hope this presentation helps you to understand my practicum project clearly. Okay, thank you everyone.